How to remove the dash panel for relay installation. First thing, start taking this part out. Then release the screw located there close to the kick panel. Here we go. And then you're ready to remove the whole complete door panel. There's two 10mm bolts. There's one here and one here. Sorry for the crappy video, but I'm doing this myself, so it's not a professional video, but I'm doing my best. Removing. Carefully pull this towards you to release all the clips holding the plastic panel in place. There's two here, these yellow clips. Sometimes they keep hold there. Is that happen, just put it back in place. There is another two clips to release here. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This clip, just remove it from here and put it back in its place. Start removing, disconnecting all these wire harnesses. Don't worry about confusing them when putting everything back together. They only fit in one place, so there's no way to confuse them. And now, here is the part of the truck. We have to start working to install the relay. First thing, identify the flash relay. And it's this one here in the corner. And then we have to remove the gray wire on this side. I already did, but I just want to point the right location. It's right between this white black wire and this kind of light green or light blue. I don't know what color is that. Sorry, but now with the wire, Depin it or cut. I don't know what's your choice on this point, but I just removed the whole pin. There is my connection. Gray wire connected to black wire in my relay. The wire we're going to use for 12 volts is this one here, between red and kind of light green or something. As you can see, nothing happened right now because key is removed, but turning the key to the ACC, that becomes 12 volts. So that's what we need to use it for the T-top.
Done.
Here is my relay, and just follow these instructions. The inline fused wire goes to the black one there. This black here. And then the lead with explosive male terminal was with the pin or cut gray wire. And the other end, the red with this female connector. It goes with the wire coming from the hood, and that's it.